Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold has formed three patterns. Okay, and this is a U pattern that has formed since 2012 to 2020. You can see this is the pattern. Okay, and it has made a high of around $2078. Okay, similarly what had happened, this is a 2-year pattern. Okay, that is also a high of around $2078. Okay, if you look at closely, this is the same pattern. This is a from 20 to 2022, this particular pattern. After that again the same pattern has formed, but this pattern is 8-month pattern. Okay, what is the similarities? You can see that these already being tested here. Look at these 2 points being tested here. Okay, and after that we have seen a fall has come, the same fall has come, and a swing has formed, and that is where it goes upside. Okay, and these are called U pattern, and after being tested here they tries to go upside but it didn't sustain, and then again we have seen a fall has come. See, this is the level which is already being tested, so chances was very high for the third time it will cross and make a new high, and it has already made a new high, which I was continuously telling you since $1804. Okay, when the price was there. Why? Because chances was very high. Okay, if and once it move above a level of 1932, there was a higher probability, because if you look at this particular trend, this was the resistance. If it sustained and close to this particular level, there is more of a chances of crossing a level of 2078, and it has already made a high around $2089, and after that there is a fall. You can go and check my previous video where I told you that there is a high chance of going and crossing that particular level. Okay, and if you can go and check my previous 2 years video also, where I categorically told you that this pattern can form again and again, and a probability is on a higher side that it will move towards a level of 2079, and then it will bounce back towards downside. Okay, but this is the level which is already being tested twice, so chances was very high that for the third time, if it comes close to this level, it will cross that particular level, and it has already crossed and made a high around $2089, and then a sharp fall has come. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, now you have to understand some of the points which you can notice here. Okay, the thing is that now it is trading at a strong resistance. That means it has crossed that particular resistance. Now this, a level of 1959, will act as a strong support. So chances are that if the price sustain this level, we can see it can move further upside, and a probability of going further upside we can see. Okay, and after that what we can see, the next support, okay, at a level of around $1918. This is the support. After this is the strong support. Okay, from there we can see a bounce back, but as of now there is a continuous upside, and these patterns are similar, so chances are very high it can cross and touch a level of 2083, which is on a higher side. Okay, because there is a pattern forming and similarities are very high. Okay, and there is on a higher chances that once it started sustaining above a level of 1959 and now trading at a level of 1960, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, so now suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, it can cross that particular level and can go towards a level of around $1967. Okay, and once the price move above that particular level, it can cross that particular zone and can go towards a level of around $1977. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, it can cross that particular zone and can go towards a level of around after 1977, it can touch a level of around $1989. Okay, See, once the price sustain above 1977, chances of touching a level of 1989 on the higher side. Again, I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this level, it can touch a level of around $1967, and after that level, we can see it can cross a level of around 1973, because that is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it can cross that particular zone, and chances of touching a level of 1989 will be there. And once it sustain above this level, you can see it can touch a level of around 1989 to a level of 1997. Okay, this 1989 is again being tested here, so chances of touching a level of 1997 will be there, and once it sustain above that level, we can see it can cross that particular zone, and chances of touching a level of $2005 is there. Okay, so once the price sustain above 2005, it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $2013, and once the price sustain above 2013, it can cross that particular zone, and a probability of crossing that particular zone will be there, and then we can see a probability of going towards 2040 is there, and that you have to understand. Once the price sustain this level, chance of going further upside will be there, and then you can see further high. Okay, overall trend is upside, as you can see, because it is sustaining a level of 1959, so chances are high we can see further more upside for the price of gold. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can move further down towards a level of around $1950. Okay, keep that in mind, because once it started falling, because market is always uncertain, you cannot say that the market will move in one direction. No, if it is going upside, then there is chances that it can come down also. Okay, so you have to be prepared, because market is always uncertain. You have to be prepared where the market goes. Okay, you can see the trend. Okay, but if you look at the volatility, you have to be ready with your SL, you have to ready with your limit for that particular trade. Okay, for a particular day, for a particular month, for a particular week. Why? Because if you can save your capital, that is very important, so that the next trade you can take and there is high chances of making a profit. Okay, but if you cannot save your profit as well as your capital, you will lose your full capital and most of the trade will be wrong. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, it can come down again towards a level of around $1950, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $1946. Okay, keep that in mind, because once started falling below a level of 1959, chances are very high it can go towards a level of 1956 to a level of 1950, and from there, once the price fall below that level, we can see it can fall further down towards 1954 to a level of $1946. Okay, so once the price fall below $1946, we can see it can touch a level of $1940. Okay, keep on trailing your SL so that your profit should not be wiped out. That is the main mistake people do. Okay, so once it started falling below 1946, chances of going towards a level of around 1934 is there, and from there we can see a level of $1932. These are the supports which I am telling you, because these are the some of the strong support. So whenever there is a support or resistance, you have to understand there is a chances of profit booking, or there is a chances of trailing your SL. Okay, because if suppose this is the support, so this is our SL, so once the price sustain, bounce back from that particular level, you can book your profit. Okay, or you can take out the profit. Okay, so once it started falling below 1940, we can see a level of $1934 to a level of 1930, and once it fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $1911. Okay, if the price fall below that level, we can see it can further down towards a level of $1903, and if the price fall below that level, we can see it can move further low towards a level of around 1900, and then we can see it can fall further down, because there will be a zone breakout will happen and a probability of going further down we can see for the price of gold, and there will be a opposite cup pattern will form. So chances are high if the price fall below 1911, you can say it can cross a level of around $1893 and can touch a level of around 1872 also if the price move out from a level of $1889. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,